Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Emanuela. So for today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to create your own sugar scrub from the ingredients already in your kitchen counter. As far as ingredients go, please feel free to alternate these ingredients so that they go greatly with your skin types. As you guys can see, I'm going to be using brown sugar. You guys can use any brown sugar that you have in your kitchen counter. I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil, honey, and lemon. You guys can mix it up. You guys can add any other ingredient that you want, any other oil, but I'm going to be using this for today. So I'm going to start off with my sugar. I'm going to be adding 4 teaspoons of sugar for hydrating. Then I'm gonna go in with my oil for moisturization. I'm gonna add 4 teaspoons of the extra virgin olive oil, and make sure you don't use too much oil because it will dilute the sugar and the mixture won't be as effective. But if you find yourself in this case, you can go in and add extra sugar. Then I'm gonna go in with my honey. I'm gonna add 2 to 3 teaspoons. And finally, lemon for blemish control. Squeeze in 2 teaspoons of the lemon juice. And after, make sure you take out the seeds, obviously. So now just stir it up, whip the bowl, whatever you need to do to mix it all up, and our scrub is all ready to go. So here we are, our mixture is all ready. So what exactly is a scrub, you ask? Well, they are formulated with sugar, and this is used to help physically exfoliate the dead skin cells buildup. So exfoliating with the sugar scrub can help create the appearance of smoother, glowing, youthful skin. Typically people use them as a face scrub, mostly, which I do, and people also use them as a body scrub as well. I like to limit my sugar scrub to maybe like 2 to 3 times a week. Ensure that you're rubbing your sugar scrub onto your skin in a circular motion. It's most effective and it helps to free your ingrown hairs too. Okay, demonstration time. Let's see if it works. On the back of one of the arms, we're gonna rub it in a circular motion, and boom, I know you see the difference. You can see one arm is a glowing, it looks smoother. As you guys can see, the left arm looks super hydrated than the right arm, while the right arm looks dull and dry. So I'm gonna try the same sugar scrub on my own hands too. If you have hands that look like mine, lately my hands has been looking rough. I presume from all the cleaning, all the washing that I do lately. So yeah, I like to use that sugar scrub just to refresh it. It looks dry. You also see the difference too? The right hand looks hydrated, but the left hand looks dull and super dry. So make yourself a scrub from your homemade ingredients, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this video if you enjoyed it. See you guys in my next video. Bye.